Right now we're in Podio in the Pipeline app, and I'm going to go over um, how to proceed with the first automated task, which is assigned to, in this case, Terry, who is the transaction manager, and this would happen as soon as the prospect gets entered. So what we're going to do to show this, we'll save. And now what happens is this generates a workflow. If we click Terry, and this should pop up on the right any second here. Any second. Okay. So this, as you can see, the task right here, it's enter county report link, picture, and Dropbox. So real quick, we're going to run through this. First, we're going to do the county report link. So if you, and you'll probably want to save this. Jeez. Bookmark the site once you get there, but as you see, I have gone to this site a whole bunch, and it's Douglas County, Nebraska GIS. And the first search result is the correct site, and you'll see, I'm going pretty quick, but right here in the middle of the page is search by GIS mapping. Click it, and you can probably bookmark this page. So as this loads, agree to terms of use, and what we'll do is we're just going to look up a property we already own. So over here in the left fields, one thing is it's very, very sensitive to the dictation, or the syntax. So 1130 is the street number, and in this case it's 31st Street, but you don't want to put ST, 31st, or street, or anything else, not north or south, anything. I don't know why, it just sometimes it won't find the property. So you want to make sure if it comes out with a couple of different properties, a north, an east, a south, that you choose the right one. But in this case, there's only one, 1130 South 31st, and we own that. That's Hanscom Apartments LLC. So if you double click that, it'll open up this report, and this has a lot of good information. You want to get pretty familiar with it, but click on the top here on the left, view full external report. Click that, and it provides a link. It's the exact same report that we just saw, and it's in its own window now. So I'm going to copy the link, and what happens is we went back to Podio, and now in County Report, Control V, paste the link, and you're all set. As you can see, it comes, and now that's the beginning. That's the property record, and it's the beginning of sort of the prospect process. The next is the picture. So we're going to click the picture. In this case, save image as. I do. This is something that'll probably just be deleted, so you can save. I've got a bunch of these, and if you have a PC, the download should go right here, which is handy because going back to Podio, what we can do is drag the picture. Now it'll take a little bit, but that picture is uploading into there now. So we will start with the Dropbox folder. And sorry I'm bouncing around, but if you see all the way past all these fields, the Dropbox folder is it's down here. So obviously it's not right at the beginning, but that's where it is, and that is a link field. So we're going to create a new Dropbox folder and put the link in that field. So I'm going to dropbox.com. And I can't remember, I think I set up a folder yesterday to share with Terry, our transaction manager. So I clicked on sharing. Taking a little bit of time. I'm going to go back to Podio and see if the picture uploaded. It has not. Okay. All right. Well, I'm surprised because I thought that I had set up a folder yesterday to share with Terry. Things are really moving slow. I think it's because the video is running. Okay, so here is the folder that I shared with Terry. So we're going to click in here, and if it's Terry that's going through and doing this, which the task is assigned to her, or whoever is the transaction manager, you'll be the one. You come in and click on the folder that's shared with you, and now what we can do is add a folder, and we're going to just to make sure it's not mistaken, we'll call this test. Okay, so if you click share, this will pop up, and I click create a link right here. Okay, copy link. I was just reading that. Okay, Control C. Now we go back. I don't know why the picture isn't showing up. Chose the wrong field accidentally. Hold on. Control V, paste it, and now you've got your Dropbox folder. So, we'll all be using the same folder. All the documents, all the pictures, all the contracts will go in there. So that completes the first task right here, like we said. Report link, picture, and Dropbox and Podio. So we're all set. And if we click out, it will save it. Hopefully that was helpful.